Hi, this is Dave Maltby, and I'm going to show you how to assemble and to set up your CamStand XHD. First, you put in the post into the base, and with a 7/16 inch wrench, you tighten it up. So it's very sturdy. Then the main assembly just clamps right onto the vertical post. Now this particular one happens to have a Manfrotto quick release. And if you're familiar with the Manfrotto quick release, it's my favorite. It's pretty standard, and you just screw in a shoe on the bottom. The quick release is very good because you can just pop it on, it's secure. If you want to take it off, all you do is just use the release lever. This is the same setup that I use. Also, the FBI, the CIA, Homeland Security, Department of Justice uses this particular camera stand for taking photographs of evidence. So this is the top of the line. It's extremely easy to use, extremely stable, and all you have to do to get height adjustment is you loosen up this knob, you hold on to this section here because you got some weight here. You loosen this thing up, and then you just tighten it up, and that's all there is to it. So it can be adjusted to any height. Then you have, here's your horizontal adjustment. You loosen this up, and you can take it all the way out, or you can bring it all the way in. So you've got about 5 inches of adjustment here. Now, the other adjustment, of course, is angles. So you can shoot up to the moon if you want, straight up, all the way to straight down. So that's quite. Plus, you got all your pivotal adjustments too, so you can big uses for this stand and some other videos. Thank you for joining in.